Today we are going to learn the correction of the sentences. The correction of the sentences are based on the verbs. According to the verb, the noun or the subject should be corrected. So first we take the first example. Chatraha guruhu namaskurvanti. Kurvanti, karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti. So, kurvanti is bahuvachanam, that is third person bahuvachanam, plural. So, chatraha should be corrected as chatraha. So, chatraha guruhu namaskurvanti. Vrukshat phalam apatan. Apatat, apatatam, apatan. Right? Apatan also bahuvachanam. So, vrukshat phalam apatan. Phalam, phale, phalani. So, phalani is the plural form. So, phalam should be corrected as phalani. Saha vidyalaye apatatam. Right? Apatat, apatatam, apatan. Apatatam. Apatat, apatatam. This is vivachanam, dual form. So, tau vidyalaye apatatam. Vanaraha vrikshamule atistat. Atistat, atistatam, atistan. Atistat is first person singular. So, Vanaraha is in bahuvachanam. So, Vanaraha vrikshamule atistat. So, Vanaraha should be corrected as Vanaraha. Grandhalaye pustakam santi. Asti, saha, santi. Santi is third person plural, singular. So, plural. So, pustakam is singular. So, grandhalaye pustakani santi. Pustakam is corrected as pustakani. Aham pathan patavaha. Right? Patani, patavaha, patamaha. Right? That is first person bahuvachanam. So, aham is singular. Aham, avam, vayam. So, aham should be corrected as avam. Avam, patan, patavaha. Vayam vipanim gamishyami. Right? Vayam vipanim gamishyami. Gamishyami, gamishyavaha, gamishyamaha. Gamishyami is first person singular. Vayam is bahuvachanam. So, vayam should be corrected as aham. Aham vipanim gamishyami. Ete bhayena dhavati. Dhavati is singular first person. Dhavati, dhavataha, dhavanti. But ete is bahuvachanam. So, ete should be corrected as eshaha. Eshaha bhayena dhavati. Yuyam kutra chalati. Chalati, chalataha, chalanti. Chalati is first person singular. So, yuyam is bahuvachanam. So, saha kutra chalati. Yuyam should be corrected as saha. Tvam karyalaye tishtata. Tvam karyalaye tishtata. Tishtati, tishtataha, tishtanti. Tishtata is vivachanam. So, tvam karyalaye tishtata. Tvam should be corrected as yuvam. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam. Yuvam is vivachanam. So, yuvam karyalaye tishtata.